All right, this is a portable AC that I bought off of Amazon. It comes with a remote, but it doesn't have batteries. You're going to need to get two AAA batteries and put them in there. It comes with these expandable duct for your exhaust ports. This is the one that goes into the window that hooks onto your leaf over here. It's got little catches on it, and this is the one that goes on the back of the machine itself. It comes with 4 leaves. Each one is 18 inches long. This one is where the port collar goes right here. You've got one 10-inch. So you've got about 60 inches worth of vertical or horizontal window that you can put it into. And we're going to show you how to put this bad boy together and how to use it in this video. All right, so you can go horizontally like this, or you can go vertically. These windows open up horizontally, so I've got to go horizontally. All right, so I measured this, and it's 35 inches in there, maybe a little bit less. And then I measured this, and I want to get it about the same distance, right? So I'm going to go here, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to pull this until I get to about what I need. So it's going to be that last hole right there. Okay, let me slide it forward a little bit, balance it. All right, so I've got to put my peg in there. Here's a peg, and when you push it in, it expands and it locks it out. And you only need one. So I'm just going to push it through there, and then it locks it out. And let me show you what it did. If you look inside there, you see that peg. So when you push it through, it expands, and then it keeps this from coming apart. You follow me? Now we can set it in the window. Because this window is a hurricane window, I've got like 2 inches down. And so this right here, if you look, that's not going to work because that pushes it up to this spot. See, that won't fit in there. If I put this in there like that, let me show you. You see how it, you see how it drops down below there? So that my collar won't fit. It'll hit the window. So I've got to put something in there to hoist this up so that it's sitting, sitting like basically sitting right about there, right? So I've got to find something that doesn't come with this kit that I can put in there. And so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go grab something really quick. So I did find a piece of wood that I think may work. I've just got to kind of slide it in there. And it's just going to sit just like that. So if I come in on an angle like this, then I can go ahead and set it down on there. Once that's there, bam, we're good. Now we've got to get our collar on. So I want it to be like this. I want this facing me. So I'm going to slide this down like that. All right, so now we're looking pretty good, right? So let's go ahead and rotate this. All right, now remember, let me bend this up so you can see it. Remember, you've got these little notches. There's the top notch, there's the bottom notch. So we know that we're right. So now we're going to rotate this towards this, just like that. And then I'm going to pull it forward with the accordion thing. And now what I've got to do is I've got to get in here, and I'm going to hold it like that. And I'm going to just squeeze it in, just like that. And it's in. Now, just to show you guys, I can just go ahead and get it out of there like that. And here it is. So you can see that it latched on these things right here. To get it off, all you got to do is push it like this. See, it comes off, just like that. So now to get it on, we just do the same thing. I kind of like just smush it down. Now watch. See how it just sets in there? Got to get this last one in. You got to kind of get right here. See that? There we go. So now I've got 1 latch, 2 latch, 3 latch. Everything's good. So now I can bring it up. So there's a couple ways you can do this. This is one way. Then we're going to set her down in there, just like that. Okay? Pull it this way. And now all I've got to do is bring this window down on it. Bam. Look at that. Now that looks good, right? Now all we got to do is plug in the unit itself. This has a circuit breaker on it, so you can test it just by pressing this once you plug it in. When you plug it in, you're going to see a green light there. You have to use a dedicated plug, okay? You got to use a dedicated plug. So I'm just going to come over here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug her in on this plug right here, okay? Right down there. And you should see that turn green. Bam, done. So that's kind of like having your own GFI plug in there. And that's how that works. And here's your power button right here. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And we got power. And it's blowing cool air. If you want to change the mode, you've got cool, which is AC. You got dry, which is dehumidifying, and then you got a fan. Notice when I change the mode, it goes to blank, and then it's going to give me a 78 usually. If I go again, I'm going to show you that. It's going to be blank too. Let's go to cool because we want to stay cool. Over here, we can go ahead and go lower just by pressing the lower button, or we can go higher by pressing the higher button. Bam. If we just want to bring the fan up, we can click that and the fan's going to get stronger. If we want to go low, we click that, it goes back down. Let me let you hear it. Now it's on high, and it's blowing good cold air. Let me hit it again. And if you listen for a second, you'll see it goes down a little bit. You feel that? It went down. But anyway, it's that's the basic controls on it. There really isn't any more controls on it. We also have the remote control, which we can use, right? Let's go ahead and turn it off first. The remote is, give it a second to turn off. Okay, remote control, watch. We just click this, it comes on. There it goes. You can see on here it says 73, 773 there. Now if I want to drop the temperature, I go like this, and it goes down. If I want to go up, I click this. It goes up. Let's go down. Let's get cold. All right, so here you got your mode. Like we went through the modes before, but watch, they'll change. There's your, that's your dehumidifier. That's your dehumidifier. There's your fan, and we're back to cool. Goes back to cool, and here's your fan here, watch. We can change it from low to high, or from high to low. That's basically it. Over here you've got the dimmer if you want to turn it off at night so you don't see the control panel. Turn it back on, you click there. And you got a timer, and it's got some kind of swing thing, and I'm not sure what that is. We'll have to read the instructions. But basically that's how you get it going. That's how you get it in the window. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on this very inexpensive portable AC. Peace out.